On the auspicious day of Sharada Puja, being the part of an education institution, I wish you all happy Sharada Puja and happy Navratri festival. Today, as we have
Thank you.
already communicated, yeah, may Goddess Sharada bless us in abundance. Let us have a blessed educational year ahead. As we have informed you, today would be the last day of VCT Connect, where two presentations would be given by our resource students. I would find it as my privilege to introduce the resource students of today's session. So we have with us our beloved students, Hitaishi Shetty and Tushar Alva and Latesh NS. So all these three students are studying in third semester, Department of Computer Science. Today they are here with the colorful presentation with the very important activities that run in our campus. They are all having social accountability, social outreach programs. So Red Cross activities, NSS teamwork or Swachh VCET, they'll be speaking on. Uh, to list a few about qualities about our resource students, let me start from Hitaishi. Hitaishi is an excellent speaker, having a very good mastery over English language, where she finds herself to be a very great communicator in her class. Having good leadership ability, she have led her class as a class representative and a UGC member for the previous academic year. A very good dancer, actor, actress she is, and her love specially dedicates her quality time for face painting. An unusual but a very appreciable talent it is. She's blessed with. She finds her quality time on all those. You might have heard a session named Kalakadana, which was presented by our one more research student, Mekala Rao and Sneha. And she had said, you remember, means section B was the runners. And Hitaishi Shetty was the lead for that section. And she made her section to be the runners of first year interclass competition. Then we have with us our one more beloved student, Tushar Alva. He is also an excellent speaker and he's very good in communication skills. Tushar is known to be very proactive in various activities and his very special nature is he learns anything for knowledge more than for scores. Latesh is another student who have much love for VCET. He have contributed in his own way for the development of institution. Even him being very proactive in the class, he's a team worker and team leader. He is a good dancer. He is a good actor. He is strong in dancing and making mimicry or mad ads, all kinds. A good entertainer, Latesh, having good academic profile. He is a good presenter too. He have done some few beautiful seminars in my classes. Tushar and Latesh have been participated in the boot camp also, representing their division. So here we have with us three resource students, just an year elder to you, who have experienced VCT from the past 1 year. So I'm handing over the session to them. They'll be taking session on one by one activity. Over to you, students. Have a good day. Have a good day to the audience too. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your work. So we are going to start our session today. Good morning to all. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to VCET. In today's VCET Connect session, we will speak about NSS, Red Cross, and Swachh VCET and the activities conducted in our college under these. So now we are talking about NSS. So what is the expanded form of NSS? NSS is the National Service Scheme. It's a national service scheme which was launched in Gandhiji's century year in 1969. It is a public service program conducted by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports of Government of India. So in this, an individual person who voluntarily involves in a service program, which which you which uh, which helps the public directly or indirectly. Like we all wrote our CET exams, right? So in that, some people who voluntarily came and sanitized the college and sanitized you and maintained a social distance among the people. So these are the NSS people who work voluntarily. So these are all about NSS. Now we will talk about Red Cross. So what is a Red Cross? So Red Cross is a voluntary humanitarian organization to protect human life and health based in India. So you can see the symbol there, right? Red Cross at last. It okay, that's right. It it resembles that they are based on medical fields, like medical field, like first aid and people who are in medical disorders. For example, uh, the people. Okay, so what does Red Cross do? Let's speak about what does Red Cross do. Red Cross provides relief to our victims of disasters and help people to prevent, repair, and respond to emergencies. For example, like if some place gets a natural disaster like tsunami or flood, a group of people voluntarily uh, get together and go there and help the people who are the victims to that disaster. They help them by food or medical aids. They give the first aid, or and they maintain a good relation with them and help them to recover from that disaster. Okay, so these are the Red Cross people do. So we get a badges from that, which like speaking to Red Cross, who get benefited? The individual we, of course, when the natural disaster takes place, is that okay? During the medical aid emergencies, we individual we get benefited by Red Cross, and all Red Cross also benefit the military members, veterans, and their families to prepare prepare for, cope with, and respond to the challenges of military service. Like during the emergency communication, training, or to support the wounded warriors and veterans. Like we will see some group of people who voluntarily help the military people who get wounded and also their families. They help their families by some or another way, like financially or medically. They help military peoples and also the individual we. Okay. So what does this community, how this community resource helps an average of 1,50,000 military people and veterans annually. Like in a year, 1,000, like 1,000, sorry, 1,50,000 military people are, or more than 1,50,000 military people, families and military people and their families and veterans are helped by this organization. This organization plays an important role in our daily life. So these two voluntary activities are activity in our college, and the activities conducted by these. are explained by my friend Tushar Alwa. Thank you.
Thank you, Latish, for the for the terms of Red Cross and NSS. So, coming to the activities which is being conducted in college, so many of them might be knowing are new to here. So, I'll be starting with the activities that is Vanamohotsava. These are the pics you can see. These are the pics which have been captured while the uh, activities going on. So, what is first of all, what is Vanamotsava? It's a special day on. It's basically on July when people usually plant more trees or a medicinal plant, so they are for the betterment of the future. So, our NSS student or the Red Cross student were taken to a remote place. It's near the campus, 3 kilometers away from the campus, and they planted more than 500 plants of different species, like medicinal plants of different species, for the betterment of the locality and the villages, the residents nearby the area. So the main outcome of these student outcome this of this activity was the both people of the local people and the students uh, involved in the plantation and spread environment awareness. So the basically the uh, main objective of the activity was spreading awareness and becoming a green ambassador. And the students of our VCD college, that is NSS and Red Cross, they helped in building a shelter bed around the agriculture field, which is really important during rainy season. Most of the farmers or the agriculture background, people having agriculture background might know how important shelter beds are. So these are the pics of various moments or the memories which have been captured. So as you can see, like some are planting medicinal plants and others. So the next activity is Brahma Kalasha, which is conducted on 6th February 2019. It was held in Kundalka Vishnumurti temple. So, by the way, Brahma Kalasha is a really important occasion. It's like it's done in once in a 12 months, 12 years, sorry, 12 years, and it's done after renovating the temple. So it's like a very important occasion, and we were glad for our NSS group and the Red Cross group for helping them and having a better, great success in the occasion. So the main thing is main objective of this activity was helping to do the works like to do different chores like from vegetable cutting to decoration of the temple and cleaning temple and surrounding areas. Those were the really important objective of this activity, and it was a really great success after of the Brahma Kalasha. It was a grand success, and the main like the backbone of this was, I can say, it is NSS and the people from NSS and the Red Cross group. Next activity which was conducted is digital awareness. So in a modern era like us, like the current modern era, having knowledge about different electronic gadgets or program like is a life motto. Like even a LKG student might be knowing how to log in or have a Facebook account or something like that, Instagram or something like that. So depending on the and some might not have the privilege like us, like the you can just see in the pictures. It's a really remote area, And this awareness was held in a primary school. I know it's a primary school. It's Mukev Primary School. It's in Nirmogra. So the session started in around 10 to 11, and it was the duration was 2 hours. The main topics were basics of computers and internet surfing, which is like uh, the topics which elementary school are the like classes of first standard, second standard. Those topics were taught to them, and it was a great success too. Many of them enjoyed the session, and it was a really good session. So even this, you can just see the cheerful face of the children, like enjoying the session. And the next is blood donation camp. You might be knowing how important blood donation or blood bank is in this environment. Like accidents and other things are going to occur, like frequently occurring. You can just see in newspaper each and every day there's an accident, and blood bank is really necessary. It's like a basic requirement nowadays. So the collaboration between our college, that is Vivekananda, and the Rotary Club and Indian Red Cross Society Puttur, they had a collaboration, and they conducted a blood donation camp. It was held on 10th September, and it started at around 9 to 10. And I know you can't believe I know you can't believe, like, there was 40 units of blood, and you know how huge the amount is and how necessary it is. Like 40 units of each blood group, like AB positive or B positive, and even O negative. And there were many of them for donating blood, but because of some we couldn't they couldn't donate because of some problem, or the couldn't there was no capacity for holding or for collecting blood. So the next one is this is the recent activity which was held in Vivekananda, the free vaccine drive. You can see the posters which was distributed among the Puttur side. There might be some of them receiving it. This vaccine drive was started on 28th June this year, and it was from 10 a.m. onward. The first dose, this the objective was mainly about first dose. So the next activity is water safety awareness. It was done by a resource person called Nirup Chiar. He's a he's a bronze medal saving surf life saving. He has done his you know he has done his program manager in Australia and others. You can just see the description, or sorry, you can just see the poster. There's his bio data in it, and you can just see the NSS motto, not not me but you. So the main objective of this session was the injuries, or the how to overcome the injuries by in the water safety of like the main objective is how can you overcome the injuries while while swimming, or the injuries occurred while surfing or something like that. So one of the main event which one of the main subject he told is most of them might experience this. You might have frequent cramps while swimming. So it might be a serious issue sometimes. So he told us how to overcome this. Like some, I would like to say you how to overcome that. So the main thing is first you have to stretch your legs, or the main area where where the cramp occurs, and just be hydrated every time while swimming, and so on. He explained many awareness, safety measures, and other things. So next, coming to is Swachh VCT. So this is an activity which is conducted by different departments like PS or EC or other departments. So you can just see and the main objective here is clean the surrounding areas um, of our campus, and like uh, they say there's a, like Gandhiji say, the cleanliness is next to godliness. So to just to promote Swachh Bharat, we have done this Swachh VCT, and it was a really great success. So next is you might be knowing like what is the use of joining NSS or Red Cross. What is the benefits of joining these co-curricular activities? So my friend Hiteshi is going to speak about the benefits and other requirements to how to join NSS and others. Uh, so over to you.
So here are the few benefits of joining NSS or Red Cross team. So firstly, it comes personality development, which is nothing but you'll develop as a whole. You'll develop characteristics which are really necessary to lead in this society. Also, next is acquiring leadership qualities. Everyone wants to be a leader. Obviously, in this society, if you have to succeed, you have to proceed, you need recognition, you have to show up, you have to come in front. So, that is one thing. You will get to interact with new people, you will get to meet new people, you will get to learn so many things. Also, you will improve social skills like communication skills, which is very much required in all the fields wherever you go. Um, obviously, you are an engineering student. You'll have to face interviews and stuff. So in that place, this will be really helpful for you because you'll improve soft skills, not just communication skill, also body language, how you communicate. It's not just about communication; it's about how you communicate. So next comes develop sense of involvement in nation building. So whenever you are doing a service, you are also serving the nation. It helps in developing positive attitude, self-confidence, courage, and patience, which again is characteristic development. It helps in developing his or her skill to perform in certain jobs, quality of an organizer, etc. As I already mentioned, so when you go out, you serve in various activities. You'll learn so many things. You will build your personality. You will learn the sense of decency. Also, the other thing is certification. Once you join the troop or whatever, you will and you perform in activities, you will be certified. You will be provided with a certificate which you can include in your resume. So that is about it. Also, in case you all want to join NSS or anything, there are slots for 100 candidates available. So once the college starts, you will be informed by the faculty in charge. So this is all. I hope you all found this session informative. Thank you all for joining. Also, we are really grateful to the coordinators of VCT Connect 2021, Shwetambika ma'am and Madhavi ma'am for providing us with this opportunity.